Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix slow keyboard response in Windows 11. And now let's get started. First things first, if you are using a wireless keyboard, the most common culprit for slow response is a low battery. Please try replacing the battery. Once you have addressed any potential hardware issues, we can move on to software solutions. To begin, right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Navigate to the Accessibility tab. Scroll down and select Keyboard. Within the keyboard settings, locate the options for sticky keys, filter keys, and toggle keys. Ensure that all these switches are turned off. Next, we will work with the Device Manager. You can find it by searching for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and opening the application. In the Device Manager window, expand the list under Keyboards. You will likely see one or more HID keyboard entries. For each HID keyboard listed, right-click on it and select Update Driver. Choose the option to search automatically for drivers. Repeat this process for all HID keyboard entries. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.